Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to join and leave group in Roblox. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Open your Roblox account on the Roblox launcher and log in. Click the three dots on the left side. Then, select the group section. You have the choice to make your own Roblox group in order to join more groups, as well as the ability to preview a list of groups to join on the left side of this page. Tap More Groups. The list of groups you can join is available here. The search bar up top also allows you to look for groups to join a Roblox group. To access the group's information page, click any Roblox group. To join this specific Roblox group, select Join Group. Immediately, if it's a public group, you'll be included. The membership will be pending until one of the admins authorizes it though, if the joins group is set to private. Select a group to leave from the first list in Roblox to do so. To quit the Roblox group, click the three dots to see a drop-down option. Then, choose Leave Group. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.